It's the first working week of the court, and this courtroom at the Supreme Court is a beehive of activities as the court is set to hear the appeals from Benue and Ebonyi states challenging the governorship election of Reverend Father Hycinth Alia of Benue State and Francis Nwifuru of Ebonyi State. In attendance is the Benue State Governor, his deputy, and some state executive members. Lawyers exchanged pleasantries ahead of the commencement of the day's proceedings. The five-member panel of justices, led by Justice John Okoro, arrived. They dismissed the appeal filed by the PDP governorship candidate in Benue State, Mr. Titus, seeking to void the victory of Governor Hycinth Alia of the All Progressive Congress just after his counsel, Sebastian Horn, withdrew the appeal. Mr. Horn, who is a senior advocate, withdrew the appeal after getting a hint from the panel that the matter before it was one bordering on nomination and as such a pre-election matter. Justice Okoro held that, as agreed by parties, the order of dismissal in relation to the first appeal shall apply to the second appeal.
I am appreciative of the work done by the justices that sat on the case. This is a long battle that took us to 13 cases at the pre-election matter on this same point. They lost down to Court of Appeal up to Supreme Court and re-instigated the case in the election petition. And today, the Supreme Court have just shown to the world that justice is consistent. Justice is for all.
The governor and his deputy applauded the development.
I'm quite pleased that it's come to this point. It's going to ginger us some more to do the great things for the state. Actually, it's quite a high time for everyone to come on board with us, for the progress, for the development of Benue State.
Back in the courtroom, the court also heard the appeals filed by the PDP and its candidate in Ebonyi State, Chukwuma Ifeanyi, and reserved judgments till a date to be communicated to parties. Justice John Okoro reserved it after parties adopted the brief of arguments. In the arguments, counsel to Odi, Chris Uche, had told the court that Nwifuru was not a member of the APC when he ran for the office of governor, while citing Section 177C of the Constitution.
Can PDP still maintain that he was still a member of APC, having derived a judgment from the courts pronouncing specifically that the governor had actually left PDP and joined APC? So these are the matters we have presented to the court. And like always, it's for my lords, their lordships in their infinite wisdom to lay down and tell us what the law is.
It's going to be a busy week here at the Supreme Court of Nigeria as the justices are expected to hear more appeals challenging different governorship elections of March 18, 2023. From the Supreme Court of Nigeria, Emmanuela Ekele, Channels Television News.